What is up, y'all? I'm back on another audio gig, and today we're setting up some wireless QSC K8.2s at a tight little spot, a restaurant called Georgie in Dallas. Let's get into it.
We good?
Yeah.
All right. Sandbags. Hello.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Yikes. A lot of stuff in here. Need to double check, make sure. Did we tell her, ask her if like. Okay. Yeah, that'll
The only
work.
thing that doesn't move is that thing in the back, but it can move. We can get it out of there.
Yeah, no, we're good.
Perfect.
Just need to get it moved.
Yes, everything's good. Great.
Do you need this guy too?
Yeah, I'll get it though. Yeah, it's kind of janky. All right. Just like now, was there always wood right here?
You're good.
Still pretty tight.
I bet we can move chairs
Yeah, barely fits.
through the door.
Yeah. Wow, it's tight and hot.
Watching you move it.
Oh, all the glass? It'd be a large bill. These are gonna go behind you. Also, I think our rack case might, or not rack, our road case might go back there. I just feel like this is the best place for this thing.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. All right. I think that'll be long enough.
I have the image stabilization, like just on like the hand one.
Yeah, you can't use it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stands or something like that.
I know we need a third one though. That's okay. I feel like I'm gonna be in here most of the night anyways, so. This is definitely like the smallest place that we've been in, I think. Yeah.
This is the most breakable place we've ever been.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff to destroy. I'm just gonna have to see. I'm a little worried about that glass and the wood. We're gonna try to figure something else out maybe. Everybody can learn from my mistakes if this doesn't work. Get these BNC cables going. And where is that gaff tape? Feels good in here now. Yeah. All right. Woo. What a mess. I think I'm okay. I don't know, man. Ow. No. 25 pounds is just fine. 50 pounds. We're gonna see if it works. 'Cause right now I'm not sure. Golly. Sweating. It's like I'm outside. Am I in your way? I will.
Or they're gonna be right
They can be. We're gonna try them right here first,
here. Okay.
and then.
We're gonna have a lot of staff coming in to grab all of this glassware throughout the night.
What if we just kept them out here, Mary Grace? You're gonna ask her if she's cool with that.
As long as everything would be taped
It's
down.
gonna be
Yeah, it'll be
very,
taped down.
very, very taped down.
Perfect, because food's gonna be running out of here.
Okay.
This way.
So,
and then
yeah.
obviously the other way as well. But
Yeah.
More tape's going
There'll
over
be more
that.
room.
All right. Well, I think this will work better. Just need to figure out. Excuse me. Where are you going out here? Back in there. Looks terrible. Well, that's just gonna have to be it, Mary Grace.
I think it's safer that way.
Okay, now we'll tape it down. So these are gonna be stuck where they are. Not, there's no, yeah.
Sure, that's probably experience.
All right. All right, I don't know where I'm gonna mix from, Mary Grace. Never easy, is it? Yeah.
Go for it.
Need to get working on them, on the speakers. Shoot. I don't want to roll over that. Oh, yeah, it's so light. Don't tell anybody. Careful.
Yo, we out. You said back to Dallas.
A few cases already in the butcher. Obviously, there's some in the hallway, and I have a few more, a bunch more.
Boy, I'm glad we went without wires. Yikes.
So what I found is like slight angle.
Oh my gosh, these are so light.
And why are your arms shaking?
Oh my, it's hot in here. Oh yeah.
Will you be able to EQ the annoying sounds his voice makes out of it? Or is that possible?
Only if he talks close to the microphone. That's it. That's the only way I can. All right, now we need to get powered over here. All right, sweet. Sweet. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to reach all the way over there.
Hey, Danny specifically requested.
Woo, baby.
I'm still getting used to this.
All right, cool. No, but we'll just take a little bit out. So I'm just gonna take this 10 foot as far as I can and then pull the rest through. There we go. Now we have more than enough. 3.5 millimeter to XLR for our IEMs. For the mains. I got the wrong one. Can you go get the other one? I'll go get it. I'll go get it. All right. to go get my microphone.
Turn the Wi-Fi on.
The Wi-Fi is plugged in.
No, did you turn the Wi-Fi on the IEMs on?
Yeah, it is. It's on. Yes, it is.
Because last time.
Like Donkey Kong. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 1, 2, check, check. Hey, hey. I didn't change this one to the correct. I need to sync this.
It's on the right frequency.
There we go. That should do it. Okay. Hey, hey.
Hey, hey.
Hey, ch, hey, hey, check, hey, hey. Ring.
Oh, you were so close. Why did I think that happened right as soon as they were
Hey, check 1, 2, 3, 4, hey, hey. Think so? It's because it's wireless in a way. Space I'm supposed to be in. I'll probably
and I'm gonna
be
back there. and
Okay.
The other person that'll be speaking will be based here.
okay.
So that worked out well. That didn't work out so well. But,
Yeah.
you
No
know.
worries. They
So
will.
will you come get me, or will somebody? Come?
Somebody else will come get you. I'm not.
Okay.
I don't know the order of
That'll be-
operations
okay.
here. So somebody will come get you. They will be right here.
Okay.
They'll all be on.
Okay.
Don't worry about the color. It doesn't matter. It's just for me.
Okay.
And just start talking.
All right.
Yeah.
If I say something stupid, you just pull the plug.
I'll try.
Really classic Bordeaux here. Black fruit, mixed cigar, tobacco, but a beautiful tannin structure and elegance to really play well with the Wagyu. And you know what they say, what's better than a big cab and a big stock meat? Cheers.
I just want to throw this in here at the moment. Just don't want to roll up. These things are hard to roll up. These take so long to unscrew. All right. All right. I'll get it. I just don't think it'll stay on here. It slides around a lot.
I wouldn't feel good about it.
No, that'd be sweet. Be extremely heavy though.
It's not like you need it to be like industrial. The girl was upset, and all I could think about was that mine is like they were roommates. Yeah, I think it would be pretty awesome. I feel like it would be.
You did it good. I would have pushed it if it was mine. All right, man. Let's get out of here.